Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. Very rarely do I get a chance to create a new product because running a company with lots of people, lots of products, lots of customers takes almost every ounce of my day or every minute of my day, so to speak. So this product came out as a result to many people having a problem, which is the best way really to design a new product. Not something you think will work better, but something that customers actually tell you they need. So the bottom line here is we have our low frequency absorption technology, but it's deep. It's 12, 14, 16 inches deep. Well, that's a lot of space in today's small rooms. I get it, okay? But I'm not going to sacrifice the performance of the product because the room is not big enough to handle it. So the bottom line here is we need a product that can have a little bit more horsepower than foam, but not the depth requirement to get to the lower frequency levels like 30, 40, 50, 60 cycles. We need something in that 80, 90 cycle range to 200 that can really work and give more horsepower to the absorption curves than foam does, because foam starts about 125. So the carbon panel we produce here has a resonant frequency of 90 cycles. So we get to go down a little bit lower without really too much more space requirement. So it's great for sidewalls, and we just did a room where the customer had done everything correct, used all the technology properly, even used our carbon absorption in the wall, but had a 200 cycle problem on the sidewalls. Because room width, remember, is the second smallest of all the dimensions. So even treating it with foam, you may not get all the problems, especially in these smaller rooms. So the carbon absorbing panel will address that need. So if you put foam on the face, you can go all the way from 90 to 6,300. So does it go as low as our ACDA series? No, it's not designed to, it's not meant to. But this will be a solution for those guys that need more control on the width, but don't have the space to give up. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.